Hello friends, my subject is a chromatography. First of all, definitions of chromatography: techniques for separation or separating the component or solute of a mixture on the basis of the relative amounts of each solute distributed between a moving fluid stream called as a mobile phase and a fixed stationary phase. It is a definitions of a chromatography. Then the following chart are it is very important to describe the chromatography. There are three parts. First is definitions. In second column mobile phase and third column is a solid phase or column. First of all, definitions of mobile phase. Mobile phase consists of the sample being analyzed plus the solvent that carries the sample through the column or paper. Then, in solid phase, it is a fixed substance, either first paper to paper chromatography, second silica layer to thin layer chromatography, and third column to GC or HPLC. Status: in mobile phase, liquids or gas; solid phase, liquid, solid, or gas. Then the retention time. Define retention time. Retention time is the characteristics time it takes by analyte to pass through the solid phase to the detector under set conditions. Then the principle of chromatography. First of all, the mixture of sample is separated when it injected into stream of mobile phase to get into stationary phase. Then the components of a sample move through the column at different velocities, which are a function of specific physical interactions with the adsorbent like silicon in a column. The velocity of each component depends on its chemical nature, on the nature of stationary phase column, and on a composition of mobile phase. Then first is a thin layer chromatography, TLC. First of all, the advantages of thin layer chromatography or TLC. Faster runs, it is a better to the separation, and it has a high adsorbent. It is a better resolution and to allow for a quantification. First of all, the procedure of thin layer chromatography. First of all, the TLC plate first put in a solvent, then draw the spot. First is a reactant and another is a solvent, and then this TLC plate it is under in UV spectro UV light. Then the RF value of reactant and product is observed in thin layer chromatography. Then second is a gas chromatography, GC. First of all, what do you mean by gas chromatography? The separation technique in which mobile phase is an inert gas like helium and stationary phase is an liquid like silicon with very high boiling point. This is a gas chromatography. First of all, gas carrier. When gas is carried with injector, then in oven, it placed in a oven, the column is prepared, which is a then detector is present, then amplifier it is used to create the signal, and then the data of system chromatogram is calculated. Then components of GC. First is a auto sampler, automatically penetrate the sample. Second, inlets. The injectors are responsible for the sample to enter column. Third, column, actual separation of the mixtures takes place in it. The columns are enclosed in an oven, therefore it is the material used for the column should be able to hold up the heat pressure. Column made from inert material with very narrow diameter like 0.53 to 0.18 mm. The column can be packed made from a stainless steel and glass, be capillary that more from quartz or fused silica glass. It is a more common. Then oven. Give high temperature to ensure that the sample remains in a gas form. Gas form. Then in a detector. Detector, it can be flame ionization detector, flame photometric detector, and electron capture detector. Then 6 is a chromatogram. Is a readout device which is a visual output of the chromatograph. Different peaks or patterns on the chromatogram correspond to different components of the separated mixture where the signal is proportional to the concentration of specific analyte is separated.